Hi guys, in the series of tenses, we are going to study a new tense today. Last time you studied simple past tense and today you are going to study past continuous. So basically we have three tenses, all of you are aware of that. One is present, second one is past, that is gone, and future, that is yet to come. All the three have four forms: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Now last time you studied simple past. Before that you have studied three forms of present tense: present simple, present continuous and present perfect. Today we are going to do simple past you have done, past continuous. Okay, so past continuous, as the name suggests, it expresses the actions which are in progress at some time in the past. We talk of a point of time in the past that is gone, maybe yesterday at 5 o'clock. So yesterday at 5 o'clock, what was happening? What was in progress? What was continuing? Yesterday at 5 o'clock, I was playing badminton. So this is how, we are giving a point of time and we are showing that some action was in progress when it was 5 o'clock. It could be in other form, like when you came. When you came yesterday, or when you came, that is when I use the word came, that means past. When you came, I was sleeping. So my action of sleeping was in progress at the time when you came. So this is how we understand past continuous tense. Let's look at the uses of past continuous. First one, to express an action that was in progress at a time in the past. I was playing carom when you came. Yeah, this kind of example I was taking. I was playing carom and the time is when you came. So by looking at the verb we can make out it is the past tense because the verb is came, second form. So when you came, that is the time, and what was in progress? Playing carom. Second, to express two or more actions in progress at the same time. Okay, when you were writing, I was playing. While I was doing my homework, my brother was playing outside. Now two actions were in progress simultaneously at the same time. Okay, and both were in the past. Next is form of past continuous tense. By looking at the sentences, you can make out what we use in past continuous tense. We use subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb. Fine. So now let's look at the various examples in affirmative, negative and interrogative. So first example is, our team was losing the match. What will be negative of this? Our team was not losing the match. And interrogative, was our team losing the match? The judges were arguing over who should be chosen as best actor. The judges were not arguing over who should be chosen as best actor, and were the judges arguing over who should be chosen as best actor. Now these are in different forms. I was watching TV when the postman knocked. Right? So I was not watching TV when the postman knocked, and was I watching TV when the postman knocked? Very easily you can change them into negative and interrogative. We were planning to go on a picnic when the teacher entered the class. We were not planning to go on a picnic when the teacher entered the class. Were we planning to go on a picnic when the teacher entered the class? Next is, Maitri was writing a letter while I was reading a book. Two actions simultaneously. Now, how will we make negative? Maitri was not writing a letter while I was reading a book. And was Maitri writing a letter while I was reading a book? This becomes negative. In one of these we put not, and one of these we make question mark. Question sentence. Was Maitri writing a letter? So this is question. While I was reading a book. This is time. So Maitri was not writing a letter. This is the statement, and the other action is while I was reading a book. This is the reference of time. So these are the examples. From these you can understand the various forms, affirmative, negative and interrogative of past continuous. Now let's look at the exercise in the form of a worksheet. You can write this worksheet in your notebook and complete it. Let's look at it. Fill in the blanks with the correct past continuous tense of the verbs given in brackets. I was having my lunch when the telephone rang. Nisha was listening to the radio a while ago. Amar and Sonu were swimming in the pool this morning. As it was getting late, Miss Bakshi took a taxi home. While Jeet and his friend were fishing by the river, they spotted a python. Mrs. Sood was typing a letter in the office late last night. The students were talking when the teacher walked in. The baby was sleeping in the cradle this morning. The children were playing in the garden just now. The thief was climbing out of the house through the window when the policemen surrounded him. We were watching television when the lights went out. The dog was chasing the birds from his bowl of food in the garden this morning. The burglar was trying to open the window when I spotted him. My friends and I were walking home after a game of soccer when we met Mr. Sharma, our school principal. He was doing his homework when his mother called him. The boys were playing soccer in the field when it rained. The twins were cycling down the lane when one of them fell. He was cleaning his car yesterday evening when his brother asked if he could borrow it. The wind was howling throughout the night. We were driving home when we saw the accident. So this was the worksheet, and you can complete it in your notebooks. Now I will send you the answers of all these worksheets at the end of this tenses lesson, tenses class. When we are through with all the tenses, then I'll send you the answers. You can check your worksheets with whatever you do. Till by then, take care.